Hey tubes, how's it going? Been a while since I put a vid up. So I thought I'd show you one of the little things I've been working on this summer. I have always been nervous about driving the T because it never had a brake light. So a few months ago I picked up a brake light on the eBay and cleaned it up. Figured out a mounting here for it. I got a bracket with a hose clamp and some rubber mounted bracket in there. You can kind of see it. And painted it up. And picked up a brake light switch from Snyders. And put that in right there. So when I press the brake, it makes contact with the switch down in there. Let's see if I can get it a little better picture of it. Get you guys down. Yeah. There you go. Kind of see how that works. Down in there, and wired that up, and I've got some LED brake bulbs. It's got a 12 volt bulb in there right now, but yeah, it's got kind of a neat bezel on it. It says stop in it, and I'm just going to hold off on putting that in until I get my new bulb, but let's see how that ends up looking. Okay, and now with the brake pedal pushed down, that's what she's going to look like. And once I get a bright bulb in there, it's going to make things considerably better. So, thanks for checking this out. Talk to you soon. Take care.